What's up guys, I'm Marquita and here's how you create a Citrine Glow look.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to use a PIXI toner to refine and gently exfoliate my skin. Now foundation and brows done. I'm going to pat this gorgeous Fenty beauty highlighter in the inner corner of my eye and then spread it towards the center. This brightens and opens up the eye area. Now let's get glowing with Cover FX glitter drops.
Glow highlights.
Pat just a little on your cheekbones, nice and bronzy, shebang bang. On your nose bridge, on your brow bone, and your cupid's bow, just to top it off. Magical. Finally, let's create a sexy shimmery gold gloss. Just apply the Sephora collection eyeshadow. And then to top it off, just add the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Wow! If you want to add a little extra drama,
Oh yeah.
time to party!